Today we're going to fix stripped screw holes. My daughter, we bought her a new door, and in the process, the holes in the hinges are completely stripped. So we're fixing this with things you probably have, and it's such a cool, easy thing to do. All right, so I have a screwdriver, of course, wood glue, hammer, and toothpicks. You're gonna take 2 toothpicks, depending on the size of your hole, 2 or 3, or yeah, I mean, whatever. So we're gonna take our 2 toothpicks and dip them in the glue. So totally broke the top off my glue. Oops. I'm just gonna dip it in. Get a good amount of glue on there. Okay. And then you're just gonna put it right in the hole. Shove it on in there. Okay, I'm gonna need a third because there's room and you can fit as many as you can. So the screw has lots of cushion. All right, so there's the third. All right, now hammer. Just gonna tap the top of those to break off the end. And throw these guys away. All right, so our toothpicks are now dry and sturdy and ready for the screw. I'm just going to put the screw kind of in the center of the toothpicks. And it's nice and tight. It worked.